Hey guys, okay, today we're working on a Summit Ascent X1 telephone entry system. The problem is it needs to be reset. It's not calling the customer can't control it. So I'm going to show you what to do. First thing you want to do is power down, and you want to pull that gray ribbon cable out so that powers it down. You want to pull the SIM card out. You just push it and it pops out. So we're looking at it. Just kind of clean it off a little bit. The other thing you want to do is on the communications board right here, this metal plate, just push it gently down just a little bit. Then we're going to put the SIM card back in. Make sure it clicks. We're going to plug in the ribbon cable. You want to be real careful not to bend those pins. You're going to listen. It takes a minute, but we're listening for a beep. I think there's one beep or three beeps. There's one beep. So see, we got a red light there. But back inside here, between the circuit boards, I'll try to get it. There's a little blue flashing light. When you get a blue flashing light, that tells you that you have a network connection. This is your network antenna. Other thing to check is these antennas. They are very tight, so I'm not going to undo those. Sometimes it helps to just undo them, reverse them, put them back in. These boxes you want to seal up. If you have any openings in the back of the box, seal them up with silicone because it will fill up with water when you're done. Anyway, we're going to sit here and wait. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes for it to register. Oh, there it goes. Okay. It just registered. Anyway, there's the camera. That's the call button. Let's see if she answers. Alright, so we got a busy signal. Anyway, I'm going to have to call tech support. Anyway, that's it. Any questions, give me a call. 817-478-5885. Have a great day.